klappat hakten alla dagar. Fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stå på skor, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest hela dagen.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Today we have content to present to you.
And today we will bring you to walking street in IMUTT, and we will survey about street food in walking street.
We will try to looking for delicious street food. Thus recommend to you.
Before we entering the IMUTT walking street, first we have to wear the mask for preventing COVID-19.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go!
Yeah.
When you press me to your our world where roses bloom.
Okay, me and Yeast buy dessert. I buy brownie.
Yeah, I got waffle, banana, Nutella.
Okay, try it.
Yeah.
Mmm, so delicious.
We buy a drinking. I buy a green tea. This is green tea.
Yes, I buy a coconut juice. Let's drinking. Coconut juice is delicious.
Green tea is less sweet. It make me delicious.
Klappat hakten alla dagar. Fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen. Stå på skor, det har vi alltid gjort. Så det är fullfest hela dagen.
Okay, and this is my turn. I will present order food to you. Okay, and what is you buy?
I buy 5 size in Thai called กุนช่ายทอด
And I buy a fried chicken with a cheese flavor. Okay, let's taste it. It's very delicious.
sweet and little spicy delicious
Stars shining bright above me. Breezes seem to whisper.
Okay, today I will present about my special lunch. Every day we eat them every day. Okay, let's go. First, my order is here. It's a century egg with basil. And next,
I got 5 hot crispy with curry powder with rice
Yes, I got the spicy noodle salad. It's called Thai yam bun sen.
I got crispy chicken กะเพรา in Thai call กะเพราไก่กรอบ
Okay, I got 5 pork carving with oyster sauce in Thai call หมูกรอบผัดน้ำมันหอย